Hi everyone, I welcome you back to this channel, Technical Drawing Masterclass. Today we are going to look at the construction of a triangle when you're being given the perimeter and the ratio of the sides. But the perimeter that we're going to use is 100 millimeters. Then the ratio of the sides will be 4, 3, and 5. So let's get started. We shall first draw the border lines on this plain sheet of paper. So we shall join these points. So when you're done, we shall make them thicker. So we are going to draw a horizontal line, but parallel to one of the border lines. Okay. Remember we said that we're going to use a perimeter of 100 millimeters. So I measure off my 100 millimeters. So I have this point and that point. We call them A and B, whereby the distance between them is 100. So after that, I'm going to draw a slanting line here from point A. You can either choose to draw it from point B, either way. So this line here, it's the line that I'm going to divide it into the ratio that we're being given, which is 4, 3, and 5. So when you add up those ratios, it will come up to 12. So we shall divide slanting line into 12 equal parts. For uniformity, I usually measure off a uniform measurement here using my ruler. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. So I'll name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I'll join division 12 to point B. So using my small set square, remember we are going to divide it, we are going to show the ratios as we are being given them. Like, so I'll first move 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I also move 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Then I also move 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So according to our ratio, I'll draw that line. And also draw that line. So we have divided AB in the ratio of 4, 3, 5. So I'll call this point C, and also this point D. So at point D, adjust my compass until it meets point A. I draw that arc whose radius is DA. So at point C, adjust my compass until it reaches point B. I also draw the arc whose radius is CB. Okay. So where these two arcs meet, I'll call that point E. So I join point D to E. And also point C to E. So I'll make it thick. Okay. So you find that triangle DCE is our required triangle. So we have come to the end of this video. If you have really found something hopeful and great. You can support this channel by liking, subscribing, and commenting. Thanks for watching. We'll meet next time.